How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today we're gonna have a little bit of a Q&A video. I do these every now and then just because, it's a good way for people to ask me questions that probably some of you have too and whatnot. If you want to be part of the next Q&A video, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I post a picture up of the truck or whatever with the text caption in the picture saying Q&A and comment your questions down below. If you want to get picked, though, make sure you ask something unique or different that most people haven't asked already. 'Cause I get the same questions over and over and over. But we'll start off with the Instagram questions, and if we have any YouTube questions that are any good, then we'll do some of those. I know YouTube, the community side is kind of dying out, so it's kind of hard to do it that way, but we'll see where it goes. First question I was asked is from Jacob_4262. Where did you get that bumper? This bumper was custom made. We bought just a flat, normal black prime bumper off of Amazon. Me and my dad custom cut out what you see, the light bar in it, right here, the 30-inch light bar, had it custom made into the support of the bumper rails, and had it Linexed gloss black with body Linex from Linex in Knoxville. It's one of one, I'm pretty sure. I know another guy I think has copied me when it comes to the light bar and the bumper, the 40-inch and a chrome one. But with my exact setup, I'm pretty sure I'm one of one, but I might be selling them. I've thought about maybe making them and selling them, but I'm not entirely sure. You have to notch into the bumper supports for it to fit that 30-inch light bar in. So it takes some time, but it's pretty cool. OBS_Excalibur. Do you have any tips, tricks, or resources for troubleshooting issues for the OBS Chevys? Honestly, either social media or just Googling it. That's pretty much what I do if I have any troubleshooting issues. If it's mod issues, like if I have mods on the truck that have issues, I just contact the people that gave me the modifications and stuff like that. Caleb.Clem, how do you like your switchback turn signals? Considering converting my front turn signals to switchback once my mirrors come in, I highly recommend it. But make sure it's underneath the dash by where your brake pedal is. Make sure you replace that LED or that relay for your turn signals to an LED relay. Your switchback LEDs and your LEDs in your turn signals will not work right if you don't switch out that relay to an LED relay. It's on Amazon. Just Google it. You'll see what I'm talking about. But I absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. Common question, but I'll answer it again. the_kid_w_a_vq will actually have a bigger lift. The answer is no. I will not be lifting this truck anymore. It will be on a leveling kit only. The only issue, I don't have an issue with lifting these trucks, but everyone does it, and I kind of don't want to be like everyone. And I love the leveling look. I love the leveled stance with the wide tires and stuff like that. It gives it that bulldog look, and I love that so much. Kylie Lloyd 98, I'm sorry, buddy. Would you ever put an old school wheels and tire setup on your truck, such as 15x10 bullet holes or Bart wheels? I've thought about it, honestly, and when this truck doesn't become my driver, and I can do it as like a show truck type deal, yeah, I would definitely have a wheel and tire setup like that just for show purposes. That'd be really, really cool. Zach_Horn93. 2022 show season will be one for the books with the plans and ideas we have. Can't wait to catch up with you. Regardless, always great to see you. Can't wait to meet up with you too, man. If you don't know who that is, that's one of my really, really good friends. I actually met because of YouTube and Instagram. It's so awesome how social media connects you to people like that. Like-minded people, of course. He has a YouTube channel. Now, guys, bear with him. He has a very crazy work schedule, even more crazier than mine. So bear with him. But he's got some awesome future content coming up. We'll be definitely doing collabs once we meet up and stuff like that. But make sure you hit up my buddy Zach. And the last question for the YouTube side of it is from Blaine Smith 06. If you had $3,000, what would be your first 3 upgrades? Now, I'm guessing when he says upgrades, I'm guessing the truck is 100% sound. There's nothing wrong with the truck. You don't have to maintenance anything, replace anything. So that's what I'm basing it off of. So, first 3 mods that would be, that I would do, first things first, I would do the R1 Concepts slotted and drilled disc for the fronts to replace your old disc with heavy-duty ceramic brake pads. That's what I've got on the front of this one. Then that's about, I think, about $300. Then I would do the back is the LMFG shop from Nashville that has the rear disc conversions with the upgraded master cylinder. That is the biggest improvement in brake in this truck out of everything. Highly recommend it. The drum brakes on these trucks, especially once you go bigger on the wheels and tires, are absolutely crap. I highly recommend that kit, guys. Make sure, though, you get the master cylinder upgrade, because the old master cylinder in these trucks cannot keep up with the disc conversion. I did upgrade to the slotted rear disc with the drilled and slotted. Absolutely phenomenal. Highly, highly recommend it. So right there, you're looking at about $1,200. Next thing I would do is the Kryptonite front end on these trucks. It comes with a tie rod, tie rods, center link, and then I would also add in the Death Grip pitman arm from your steering box to your tie rod or to your center link. That, guys, that's gonna run you about roughly $1,200. So I highly, highly recommend that, guys. It is a must upgrade on these trucks. Like, these front end of these trucks are pretty weak, don't get me wrong, and this will help you hold your alignment and stuff like that. I mean, it just helps hold your front end true and everything like that. With the old tie rods and center link and all that factory from even when they were good, with a steering stabilizer, still was not as tight as the Kryptonite stuff. So I highly recommend that stuff for your truck. So you're looking at roughly right there, you're at about, see, $2,400, I think. So with your $600 left, what I would do from there is probably do, if your truck's bone stock, do a lighting upgrade to fuse LED, any lenses you want, but make sure you do the fuse LED upgrade, all the turn signals and stuff like that, and your headlights. So you're probably looking at about right there, probably about $200-ish or so. So you're down to $400 roughly. So the rest of your $400, I would recommend doing a leveling kit on this truck. Kryptonite has not come out with those, unfortunately, but Rough Country does make one. Make sure you get the keys and make sure you get the upper control arms. So you're looking at probably about $300 there. So basically you've maxed out because you need the shocks all the way around to do the leveling kit properly. So you're about $3,400 right there. So roughly, if you take the leveling kit out, you're with the lights, you're roughly about $2,600, and that's what I recommend. Guys, like I said, I wish these parts were out. Some of these parts were out when I built this truck, because it would have made a world of difference and saved me a lot of headache. But that's roughly what I would do the first $3,000 if I bought an OBS Chevy. That was perfect, ready to go, good driver, doesn't need any maintenance items or anything like that. So we're going to switch over now to the YouTube comments. PI, if you didn't buy this truck, what would you have bought and built? Honestly, that's a very tough question, because I was not an OBS Chevy guy. I knew about the trucks, but I was not anywhere near the expert level I'm at now of these trucks now. And honestly, I don't know. It'd probably be like a Cat Eye Chevrolet, maybe a Dodge Ram of some sort, or a Ford F-150. I knew I was looking for a truck when I was looking in the market. And that's kind of, man, that's a hard question. I'm not entirely sure. Now, if I had the money, of course, I'd go diesel. If I had to do it right, I would have the money like a Cat Eye, a Chevrolet diesel, 3rd gen, 5.9 Cummins, 6-speed, or a bulletproof 6.0, bulletproof 6.4, or a 6.7 Power Stroke. So that's kind of where I would be at. Now, Justin Hawkins Smith, when are you going to come see me again, boo? Buddy, we got to get together. We got to do a collab, man. If you haven't followed him on YouTube, guys. He's an awesome guy. Has one of the baddest 6.0s. He's selling the lift kit off of it. His Striker, one-off Striker custom lift kit off of it. So we'll see where he goes with the truck for now. I can't wait to see where he goes with it. But awesome guy. Like, I highly recommend his YouTube channel, guys. Go follow him. And the last question, NA81. Any plans to come to any Indian car/truck meets? Also, what is your favorite part about your truck? Going up north, not at the moment due to COVID restrictions, and the laws are a lot stricter up there for some reason for my truck, even more stricter than they are down here. But mostly because of the COVID restrictions. I know that's a hit and miss right now, but I'm not going to deal with the whole crap with that when it comes to truck meets and stuff like that. I'm sorry, but the Daytona 2020, we had to wear a mask outside, and it was horrible. No one followed it anyways. But yeah, my favorite part, though, honestly, my favorite part about this truck was building it. Yeah, it was a process of building it from where it came from, bone stock grandpa, to what it is now. I can't be any more proud. Now, granted, it is showing its years. It's 26 years old, or going on 26 years old. It's showing its years. Original paint doesn't last forever. It needs to be repainted, dents fixed, stuff like that. I mean, it is what it is, guys. That will come down the line, but I just love building it. That's my favorite part about this truck, was the friendships I've made, the people I've met, and just building it and building this community. Now, that's going to be it for the questions, guys. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you like the video, leave a like. New to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Truck Smarter family. Constantly growing and changing and trying new and better things. Like I said, if you want to be part of the last Q&A, make sure, or the next Q&A, make sure you follow me on Instagram and look for those pictures. Anyways, guys, hope you all have a great day. And remember, never give up on your dreams.